Hello everyone, in front of me is REALME 12 Pro and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. First of all, open the settings, then find and select Security and Privacy, and here mark Device Unlock. Now select Face and Fingerprint Unlock and select Fingerprint. Click on Agree, tap on Continue then, and at first you need to set some password that will be backup to your fingerprint. It can be numeric password, alphanumeric, pattern, just pick whichever you prefer. I will go with pattern. So let's provide it, then re-enter it just to confirm, tap on OK, and let's enroll fingerprint. So just grab your phone as you usually hold it and keep tapping with your fingerprint. You will be able to observe here the progress. And once it's added, just tap on Done. From now on, you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.